Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to the Planner Shop channel. Today, I want to show you an exciting release. You will not be disappointed. So here are two of the Perfect Bound notebooks in a size CP Petite. You're probably already familiar with these Perfect Bound notebooks, but just in case you're not, in a recent sub box, we received this one, and it's the 365 days. And all of the Perfect Bound notebooks have a removable cover. So the cover is great for protection. You can obviously also just put this in with another cover like a vegan or an heirloom. So here you can see I have this in an A5 size in one of the lizard vegan folios. Now, I think you all know that I am a huge fan of the black lizards. I actually have 8 of these. I have them in half letter and I have them in CP Petite. This is my favorite planner of all time, maybe even including my LVs. I don't know if I can possibly go that far, but I'm saying it's very close. So I love these just because they are so smooth to the touch and they go on so elegantly without any bulk whatsoever. So you can see that these Perfect Bound notebooks just open, lay perfectly flat. They are great to use. If you want to keep your cover to your Perfect Bound on here, it will protect that front cover and still fits easily into the folio. So I think this is a great way to change your colors up, freshen your notebooks up, etc. But let's go back to the CP Petite side. The Perfect Bound notebooks come in 3 sizes. The CP Petite, the A5 as I just showed you, which fits in a large folio, and also the HP Classic. And they come in a variety of insides and a variety of colors that go with it. For example, if you want the one that is graph in the CP Petite, it comes with an olive color. If you want the task that comes in a CP Petite, it is in the color Ristretto, which is really almost very clear. And I do like this because it fits very well subtly inside a folio. So the most exciting thing now releasing are the Perfect Bound notebook cover set. It's in a frosted plastic and it comes in 2 covers. So you get the set and there are 2 covers in it. It's very economical. And the set is Avant-Garde and Signature. So you've got the Avant-Garde, which is the black, and the Signature. So let's check them out. So here you are with the Avant-Garde and the Signature. And you can do other things with these. I absolutely adore the way this Avant-Garde one is. Of course, solid black. You're not surprised if you've been with me before. I think that on a shelf, these would look great. And it's like I almost want to have a lot of them. And I may be stocking up. I'm hoping that the Perfect Bound CP Petite will come out in a dot grid at some point. But I use graph also, so that will be fine. And then, this one is the task planner, which, of course, I use tons of these on inserts, so that's a wonderful thing to have. And here's a great idea for this or this. They would work either way. This is small. It's a CP Petite, but it can be right out on your desk. And this might be just a running list of things that go on. I mean, it can be your to-do list, that's obvious. It can also be used as aligned. But what about if you have a lot of things going on? You can put some priorities up here. Phone calls happen during the day. You can jot notes. And you can do the same thing in here in your graph. I mean, they're small, they're compact, they lay flat, they're beautiful, and they're very, very economical. Now, when you place an order recently, I had a bunch of recent orders, and I was going to show you what's coming as the freebie. So you've got this nice plastic folder, and you've got in the color Apollo, which is a very, very, very dark navy, almost looks black to me. And these are the arrow stickers, which will be a great accent. I'm so excited that I got multiple orders so that I have more than one of these. And a journaling card for the forma, and on the back of it, it's the typical chow. Another one that I had crepe page flags, as well as this signaling something coming for February 26. What tracks? And my last one had some square page flags in crepe, as well as that forma card. Great freebies. So in looking at this, you can put something underneath that will show through, especially on the signature, or if I was using the ristretto one. But you can also put something on the outside, and I'm considering a couple of things. I've got these two fabulous stickers from one of my favorite places in the world, which is the St. Lawrence River in Clayton. And one of the stores sells these. Already had one of these stickers, but I was lucky enough to receive a couple more at holiday time. And I'm thinking that since they both have some black on them, that might look nice on the outside. I'm debating. Now, if I didn't put it on the outside of this, I could also use the ristretto and adhere it to the front of the cover so that it won't slide around and you can see through very well. I haven't made my final decision yet, and who knows, these things may go somewhere else because I may get motivated by something else I see. So all I can say is do not snooze on this. It's a very economical purchase to spice up your perfect bound notebooks. And I know I'm going to be getting more of these. I definitely love the avant-garde to get multiples of those. So who's getting one of these or more? Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.